Educational system is heavily influenced by digital trends. It is evolving at a faster rate than ever before. Learning is not an exemption. Online learning and distance learning programs are changing the entire concept of education. The evolution continues in the ICT way. This presentation will show you ways how technology can support teaching, learning, management, and administration of schools, principles in the selection and evolution of ICTs for educational use, strategies for integration and upgrade of ICT in governance, administration, and management. There are ways how technology can support teaching, learning, management, and administration of schools. People can now choose what they want to learn, and they can do it at their own pace. They can set their own goals and choose the preferred learning methods that would lead them to better results. Through the school-based conduct of Learning Action Cell about National ICT Competency Standards for Teachers, they became aware of info communications technology competencies and the underlying performance indicators needed to support the job role performance of a teacher. Digital libraries is also a proof of how technology supports teaching. As we access literature and information from different sources, we must always consider the legitimacy of the materials. Don't forget to check currency, relevance, accuracy, authority, and purpose. Teachers feel overwhelmed by the multitude of resources available online. There are free websites that provide valuable data. Some of these are ProQuest, ResearchGate, Google Scholar, Academia, online journals, and many more. As teachers download works of others, credit should be given to the writers from whom they have borrowed words and ideas. By citing the work of a particular scholar, you acknowledge and respect the intellectual property rights of that researcher. As teachers download works of others, credit should be given to the writers from whom they have borrowed words and ideas. By citing the work of a particular scholar, you acknowledge and respect the intellectual property rights of that researcher. The quality of the school is primarily derived from the quality of teachers. Part of the school head's management is to equip them with necessary skills to meet the goal of quality education. Teachers became aware of the social, technological, pedagogical, and professional standard that they should manifest in the profession. Through the digitized way of delivering information, updates, announcements, and issuances, it brings each educational institution at the most accessible service. As the users log in the website, they also learn the stage of compliance of the website feature. Compliance of website features include 3 stages. Stage 1 covers all about the agency's mandate, aims, logo, and services, while Stage 2 includes the accessibility of the information and links. Stage 3 includes the accessibility to a specific database and interactive forum. Analysis of large school data is part of delivering management and administration. To execute it, we need simple, speedy, flexible, and accurate way, the pivot table. In school, it can be used in analyzing enrollment data, performance indicators, and grade-level academic performance. Technology is used for optimizing the educational experience of the learners. It ensures learning goals, creates meaningful feedback, identifies needs, modeling strategies, providing guided and independent practice, task engagement, and performance. Videos, television, multimedia computer software, when combined to text, sound, and colorful moving images, e-games are formed. ICT brings gamification in the learning process. It is an engaging element that makes learning fun but effective at the same time. Computer-assisted instruction focused on the mastery of skills and content. Network computers with internet connectivity can increase learner motivation as it combines the media richness and interactivity of other ICTs with opportunity to participate in the real world. Teachers' electronic self-assessment tool, also known as ESAT, is now digitized. It is a tool for assessing teacher performance that can be used as a starting point for informal purpose of self-reflection. At the beginning of the school year, this serves as a guide for goal setting and development needs of teachers. Today, online learning platforms support the process of collaboration. The learners can communicate with each other and get in touch with the provider of the course. Participation in the forum gives the users to create an atmosphere of socialization and motivation. The strategy of using computers and internet in creating a learning environment is innovation. In this learning environment, the teacher sees what students see, but the teacher has additional user rights to create or modify curriculum content and track student performance. My experience to virtual learning environment gives me the idea of delivering learning materials to others via the web. This is very ideal among teachers in managing their teaching learning materials. It is easy to import all the materials at once and therefore saves time. Most people now have a mini computer in the form of a smartphone in their pockets, meaning they can access e-learning anytime and anywhere. My VLA experience allows me to study at a pace that suits me and automatically track my progress as I do.